you want to center your taskbar icons like this is your video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to do right click and press block the taskbar. You have to disable, it will be like this, enable, disable it. And next you have to go to right click on the taskbar, search and hidden. You have to activate the hidden. Then you have to go to this option and you have to press links. And once you press links, you will see that here there is this links option. You have to drag it to the left corner, and as you can see, the items on the taskbar are there, so you can move them to the center. As you can see, you have to do this manually because it won't center automatically. And then you have to press right click and disable show text and show title. So you disable them. And now lastly you have to press block the taskbar, and now this will be on the center. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.